This front porch, as you can see, is in dire need of a restoration. And we're gonna show you how to repair it and not replace it. Okay, step number one, scrape off the paint. You're gonna want a flathead screwdriver. Now, this might look like it would take a long time, but you can see how much stuff I'm removing right now. It's actually a very efficient process to prep concrete surfaces. Look at that, 1 square inch completely prepped. I'm just messing, dude. All right, ready?
No, I like.
So just kind of go over the process here. This is a friend of the family, someone at Leggari. So we want to come out, hook them up, help them out, shoot a cool video for you guys. Everybody knows somebody that has jacked up exterior concrete, and we have some cool products to resurface that without replacing it. Back in the day, they would pour these solid concrete. Concrete was cheap. Typically, a lot of times you go to tear this stuff out, it's just a solid chunk of concrete, pain in the butt to get out. And so our process that we're gonna show you, we can just resurface this thing. Obviously, there's some steps to that as far as like getting any loose coatings that are already on there. It looks like they painted this a couple times. I can already see the paint flaking. We got some deterioration in the concrete there. So these steps were poured separately than this piece here. And so we have a joint basically all the way on the top and then all the way down the side, so you can see the separate pours, right? So we're gonna show you a cool process how to repair that, make it look new while also keeping a gap there, right? Because we never wanna fill in pieces of concrete because it moves. Freeze-thaw cycles, the slabs kind of move, and what happens if you fill them and there's no play there, it's just gonna be chipping out the coating that you put in there. And so we're gonna show you a cool way to honor the joint, and all the tools that we're gonna use on this job you can get from Home Depot, Lowe's, right? Angle grinder, diamond cup wheels. We're gonna be using a pressure washer, and then obviously the products, get it from Leggari.com, and we have all the specialty tools to apply the products as well. So we're gonna get started. First things first, we gotta get all these weeds out of here. Step number 2 is gonna be removing any flaking paint and deteriorated concrete. For all you contractors out there that wanna be set apart from your competition and be bidding on $1 million homes, you'll have to offer more advanced decorative coating options. Go to LeggariAcademy.com where you're gonna learn projects just like this. Probably should have been step number 1 is we're gonna remove the railing. Step number 3 is gonna be smoothing off the surface anywhere we have chunks of concrete. Step number 4, we're gonna show you how to make your joints look brand new. Final step is coat it with Leggari products. All right, step number 5. All right, step number 5. Step number 5 is remove the railing, but this probably should have been step number 1. Come back around. Step number 5 is gonna wind up probably being address the sockets. I don't know, could be grinding. I'm just messing, dude. All right, ready?
No, I liked that. Keep going.
Final step, coat it with Leggari. Coat it with Leggari products, huh? Final step, guys, coat it